In the deepest recesses of the cosmos, a groundbreaking instrument, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has been peering into the farthest reaches of time and space, challenging the very foundations of our understanding of the universe. This telescope, designed to probe the earliest light of the cosmos, has delivered data so profound, so unsettling, that it has left the scientific community in a state of awe and trepidation. The JWST's discovery began as a simple yellow splotch in a corner of the sky filled with ancient light, seemingly insignificant to the untrained eye. However, when astronomers examined this seemingly ordinary blob more closely, they found themselves grappling with a cosmic enigma. This wasn't just another galaxy, it was the most distant galaxy ever observed, formed a mere 290 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. But here's the impossible part. This galaxy is too massive, too bright, and too evolved to have formed so soon after the Big Bang. According to our current theories, there simply wasn't enough time or matter to form galaxies like this in the early universe. And yet, there it is. And it's not alone. The JWST has now found dozens more just like it, each one a cosmic paradox, defying every rule we thought we understood about the early universe. Scientists began to delve deeper, and what they found was even more perplexing. Some of these early universe objects aren't just massive, they're completely foreign to anything we've seen before. Unlike normal galaxies, which convert about 10% of their gas into stars, the JWST discovered at least 3 galaxies that have turned 100% of their matter into stars. No gas, no dust, just pure blazing starlight. That's not just unusual, it's impossible, according to every existing model of galaxy formation. As a result, scientists are now asking a far more terrifying question. What if these aren't galaxies at all? What if we're not seeing the early universe, but something else entirely? A structure from another dimension? A remnant of a previous cosmos? Or an intrusion from another universe altogether? To grasp why this is shaking cosmology to its core, we need to understand the Hubble sphere and the observable universe. The farther away an object is, the faster it moves away from us due to the expansion of space. At a certain point, called the Hubble sphere, galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Common sense says we shouldn't be able to see those galaxies, yet we can. That's because space itself is expanding, and the boundary of what we can see keeps stretching. But beyond that boundary lies something terrifying, a region of the universe that we will never reach, and that will never reach us. And yet, the JWST is now picking up light and signals from these impossible zones, light that should never have reached us, which leads to one conclusion. We are seeing beyond the edge of our universe, and no one knows what lies on the other side. Webb's data is forcing scientists to ask the unthinkable. What if the universe never had a beginning? Some Nobel laureates are now openly questioning the Big Bang model, because if galaxies could form faster than physics allows, if light can reach us from beyond cosmic boundaries, and if structures appear that defied time, scale, and mass, then maybe we've misunderstood everything. Maybe the early universe isn't early at all. Maybe what we're seeing isn't a timeline, but a fracture, a place where 2 universes overlap, or worse, where something far older than our universe is bleeding through. Among the JWST's most overlooked discoveries is not a visual image, but a strange frequency. While measuring the background noise of the universe, the telescope's instruments detected a faint, rhythmic oscillation, one that does not match any known cosmic phenomenon. It's not a pulsar, it's not gravitational waves, it's not cosmic microwave background distortion. This frequency repeats at precise intervals as if it were generated. Some astrophysicists have started calling it the heartbeat beyond time. Others are more cautious, suggesting it might be a signature of exotic matter, something that could exist only outside the boundaries of our universe. But the most chilling part is that this frequency is not random. It follows a mathematical pattern, as if something or someone encoded it to be discovered. One of the telescope's unexpected findings is a huge imbalance between what we see and what we feel. Galaxies located at the farthest distances appear to have enough gravity to bend light, distort space, and even affect surrounding structures, yet no visible matter is present. This isn't just dark matter, it's something else. Some researchers now believe the JWST is detecting massive gravitational anomalies that don't correlate with any known source. These phantom mass fields act like cosmic fingerprints, pressing down on space-time from a place we cannot see. But where are they coming from? Some theorists are beginning to suggest the unthinkable. We're seeing the shadow of another universe colliding with our own. What if everything we see has a mirror image we cannot see? Not metaphorically, but physically. A fringe theory once dismissed by mainstream cosmologists is gaining traction again. That there exists some mirrored universe where time flows in the opposite direction and the laws of physics run backward relative to ours. What's changed? The JWST has captured evidence of particle behaviors and rotational patterns in distant galaxies that suggest asymmetry. As if two different cosmic systems are overlapping, it's as though our universe is being pulled in one direction, while another one, just out of reach, is moving in reverse. In a final twist, one of the JWST's long-range instruments was tracking a light signature from the edge of the observable universe. It was expected to fade. It was expected to disappear forever, as most light from distant sources eventually does. But then it reappeared, not from the same direction, not from the same time, but with the same spectral fingerprint. As if the light had been sent out and bounced back from something. The telescope had just observed a cosmic echo. But echo of what? There are only two possibilities. Either the light circled back around the curvature of the universe, which would imply that space is finite and closed, or it hit something else, something at the very edge, something capable of reflecting light, something that shouldn't be there. The JWST was built to peer into the past, to reveal how the universe began, but instead it has done something far more terrifying. It may have shown us that our universe is not alone. The impossible galaxies, the phantom masses, the mirrored patterns, the pulse, the echo. Each discovery chips away at the illusion of certainty, at the comforting idea that we understand where we are, when we are, and what we are. As we grapple with these mind-bending discoveries, one question looms larger than ever before. Are we alone in the cosmos, or are we part of a larger, more complex and perhaps unsettling reality? Let us know in the comments. Do you believe the JWST has already seen into another universe? Or is our understanding of reality just beginning to crack? Subscribe and turn on notifications because the cosmos just blinked back. And whatever it is out there has seen us. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are but stardust, fleeting observers in a universe far larger and older than we can comprehend. The JWST has opened a window to a reality far beyond our wildest dreams. A reality that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, one thing becomes clear. The universe is a vast, complex, and ever-changing entity, and our place within it is but a brief, shining moment in the grand cosmic dance. As we look to the future, we can only wonder what other secrets the cosmos holds and what other mysteries the JWST will reveal. But one thing is certain: the universe will continue to surprise us, to challenge us, and to captivate us. And as long as there are mysteries to unravel, explorers like us will continue to reach for the stars. The JWST has given us a glimpse into a universe far more complex and beautiful than we ever imagined. It has shown us that the cosmos is a place of infinite wonder and mystery, where the laws of physics as we know them may not always apply, and where the very fabric of reality may be more fluid than we ever thought possible. It has challenged our understanding of the universe and our place within it, and it has left us with more questions than answers. But that is the nature of science, and it is the nature of exploration. The cosmos is vast and mysterious, and it is our destiny to explore it, to learn from it, and to understand it. And as long as there are mysteries to unravel, the human spirit will continue to reach for the stars.